My mind goes blank when I comes to speak English. Even I have some sentences in my mind I want to speak, but my mind goes blank when I comes to speak English. Do you struggling with this problem? So I want to share with you something important for you, especially for beginner. They are struggling with this problem. So now friends, first of all, I welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Learnify today, and today's video I am going to share with you how to deal this situation. When you comes to speak, your mind goes blank. This is not a problem. This is a lack of vocabulary. This is a lack of practice. This is a lack of confidence. So what you do? You have to do just practice more and more. And how you can practice every day? You have to just speak one topic every day. I don't want to say just pick up any big topic, any big sentence, any hard words in your initial day, because in initial day we need to just focus about our speaking, our fluency and our clarity. That's enough for speaking. And if you have all these things, then yeah, you can speak without any extra efforts and uh, without any struggle. So you will speak, but you need to do just practice more and more. So how you can practice? You have to do just only sit, and you have to do stand yourself into the mirror and start speaking. Whether you speak wrong and right, it does not matter, but it is so important you speak. At least just speak even 2 minutes, that's enough. Speaking in 2 minutes, that's enough for a day, but you must have to speak. And if you are thinking I'm just saying only one thing in my all the videos, which is practice with mirror, because uh, I'm also learning English, so I'm recommended for you, and this is very important and good way to learn, good way to express our thoughts in front of the mirror. Because in this mirror, in front of the mirror, you will know many things about yourself, about your personality, about your speaking, and about your confidence. That's why I'm recommended you. So yeah, and one thing I want to share with you, if you are in your initial day, then you must have to speak, okay, whether you made mistakes or not. And yeah, this is the major point why you are making and why you are feeling afraid about mistakes. Whether you make mistakes, it does not matter, it does not so important, but you are speak. This is a good and this is a very important for our speaking and becoming fluent English speaker. So yeah, first of all, please forget everything about your hesitation and about your circumstances. You need to speak with clarity, you need to speak with confidence, and confidence comes when you practice more and more. When you do practice more and more, that will help you to get confidence, get your um, vocabulary and everything. Yeah, it will happen. But one thing you have to do, you have to maintain your consistency about their journey. You have to make your one journal every day. Journal, it means you have to write something inside your copy, inside your diary. That will help you to improve, that will help you to improve your and remember your vocabulary words power. That will help you too. Okay, so please make your small journal every day, whether you make difficult sentences and difficult words, whether you make small sentences. That will help you to improve your English, improve your word power, and that will help you to remember that's vocabulary which you are wrote it down. So I hope you get it. And next thing is, you didn't have practice every day. You want to speak, but you are just making excuse. I don't have time, and I how I manage. So it will not help you to improve, it will not help you to enhance your skills and your knowledge. So please, just only just only take some time for speaking, take some time for building your confidence. And one thing I would like to share with you: confidence comes when you have practiced more and more. Okay, because when I start my journey, I wasn't able to speak even one single sentence properly. But now I'm just speaking. Even it's a broken, it's a lack of vocabulary, it's a lack of confidence, but I'm still uh, learning. That is good thing for me. That is good achievement for me, and I can say I'm on the pipeline. I'm on the way. So this is a very good thing, and this is very important for me. Whether I made mistakes, it's the other part of my life, it's the other part of my learning. But yeah, making mistakes, it's not improve that you are not uh, full of confidence, that it means you are on the pipeline, you are learning. Because making mistake, it's not just about you don't have courage, you don't have a lot of knowledge. Making mistakes, that's proof that you are learning. So yeah, you are learning. So please don't think about that, why I'm get stuck while speaking, why my mind goes blank when I comes to speak about any topic, about anything. It's just lack of vocabulary, it's just lack of confidence. And confidence, when you do practice, then confidence will comes. This is a universal truth. Because when you want to do anything in your life, if you do hard work, then you will get, definitely. That is the universal truth. That's why I'm sharing with you. So people, if you're thinking about, I don't have time, how I do, my mouth is not working, even I have some sentences in my mind I want to speak. So please, you have to just do your practice. You have to just enhance your confidence about English language. Because you are not weak, your English is not weak. It's just about lack of vocabulary, it's just about lack of confidence. I hope you get it everything. Okay? And the other thing is, mistakes make a perfect. If you are making mistakes, then you are learning English. Just I am replying, just I am explaining again. But yeah, this is the truth. So friends, I hope you can understand, and today's in that video, I think this is enough. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care and go ahead. Improve yourself. Bye bye.